Welcome students to maths class. Today we will discuss exercise 2.5 of class 8th NCERT. First I am taking the questions. The first question is, always take the like terms on one side of the equal to sign and other terms on other side. Like I will take these 2x term on one side. It will be x upon 2 minus x upon 3, because it is here plus, it will come here and become minus. And I will take this term on the right side. It will be 1 upon 4. Here it is minus, it will become plus. So it is 1 upon 5. This way we will do. Now here as we can see, the denominators are different. So what we have to do? We have to take the LCM, and the LCM is 6. Now how to do it? 2 3s are 6. So x 3s are 3x. Here minus sign, 3 2s are 6, x 2s are 2x is equal to, now on the right hand side also we will take the LCM. The LCM will be 20. Now 4 5s are 20, 1 5s are 5, 5 4s are 20, 1 4s are 4. So this way we will do. Now 3x minus 2x will be x upon 6, and on this side 5 plus 4, 9 upon 20. Now to find out the value of x, this 6 will go there in multiplication. Why in multiplication? Because x is here in division with x, so it will go in multiplication there. So x is equal to 9 multiply 6 divided by 20. So if you cancel it out with the help of 2, 3 and 10. Now the answer will be 27 upon 10. So this way we have to do. What we are doing here? We are just taking the like terms on the other side. N upon 2 minus 3n upon 4 plus 5n upon 6 is equal to 21. This is the next question. How to solve it? As you can see, the like terms are already on the one side of equal to sign. So first we will look for the denominators. The denominators are different here. So we have to take the LCM. LCM of 2, 4 and 6 will come out to be 12. Now how to do? It is 2, 6 are 12. So n multiply 6 will be 6n. Then minus sign. 4 3s are 12. 3 3s are 9. 9n. Then plus 6 2s are 12. Then 5 2s are 10n is equal to 21. Now 6 plus 10, because they both are of same sign, we will add them. 16. 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is 7n upon 12 is equal to 21. Now to find out the value of n, what we will do? This 7 will go there in division and this 12 will go there in multiplication. So n is equal to 21 multiply 12 divided by 7. So if you cancel out, 7 1s are 7 and 7 3s are 21. So it will be 12 multiply 3, which is 36. So the answer of this question is 36. Now in this question, what I told you, first always take the like terms on one side. So I will take all the x terms. X minus 8x upon 3. This term will come on this side and it will become plus 5x upon 2 is equal to, now here it is 7. 7 we will send there. It is 17 upon 6 minus 7, because 7 was of plus here. It goes there and it will become minus 7. Now here just take the LCM. LCM will be 6. Now how to do? If there is no other number, then we can write 1 in the denominator. So 1, 6 are 6. 6 multiply x, 6x minus 3 2s are 6. 8 2s are 16x plus 2 3s are 6. 5 3s are 15x is equal to, here also we will take the LCM. which is 6. 6 ones are 6. 17 ones are 17. Here because there is no number in the denominator, that means 1 is there. So 1 6 are 6, 7 6 are 42. This way we will do. Now here on this side, minus 16 and plus 15 will give us minus 1. Then minus 1 and plus 6 is 5x upon 6. Always remember, you can't cancel this 6 with this 6 because these all numbers are here in subtraction or addition. So you can't cancel out this 6 with this 6x. Now moving on to the other side. If you subtract from 42, then first there will be a minus sign because this is of greater number. So minus will come first, and then when you subtract, it will come out to be 5 and 25. Minus 25 upon 6. Now to find out the value of x, what we will do? We will just send 6 here and this will come downside. Now x is equal to 25 multiply 6 upon, and one more thing, this 25 is of minus sign because 42 is of minus sign here. And this 5 will come downside, it is 6 multiply 5. 6 and 6 cancel out, 5 1s are 5 and 5 5s are 25. So x is equal to minus 5 in this case. So what is to learn here? First thing, we can't cut the numbers in this way if they are in addition or subtraction in the numerator. Second thing, always the bigger number has the power to dominate its sign. So there is minus coming here. Okay. In this question, you can see there are only single terms on both the sides of the equal to. So whenever this type of situation occurs, what you have to do? Always go for the cross multiplication. You just do the cross multiplication. So it will be 5 multiply x minus 5 is equal to 3 multiply x minus 3. Now open up the bracket. 5 multiply x is 5x. 5 multiply minus 5 is minus 25 is equal to 3x minus 3 3s are 9. Now take the like terms on one side. So it will be 5x minus 3x is equal to 25 minus 9. Now 5x minus 3x is 2x. 25 minus 9 is 16. So x is equal to 16 upon 2, which come out to be 8. So 8 is the answer for this question. So what new thing we learned in this question? Always whenever there are single terms on both the sides of the equal to, you have to do the cross multiply. How to do it? First we will take the LCM on this side. So if we take LCM, it will come out to be 12. Now 4 3s are 12. So this number will be multiplied with 3. Minus 3 4s are 12. So this number will be multiplied with 4. Is equal to, on that side if you do, it will be 3 will come in the denominator, and if there is no number you can let it be 1. Now 3 1s are 3, 2 1s are 2, minus 1 3s are 3, 3 t's are 3t. Okay. Now here open up the bracket. First this 3 you have to multiply this and this number. So 3 3s are 90 minus 3 2s are 6. Done. Now here, always remember whenever there is a minus sign outside, you have to change all the signs inside the bracket. So how we will do? Minus 4 multiplied 2t will give you minus 8t, and minus 4 multiplied by plus 3 will give minus 12 divided by 12 is equal to, it will remain as it is, 2 minus 3t upon 3. Always remember we can add, subtract only the like terms because they both are not like terms, so it will remain as it is. Here only go for the like terms, 90 and 8. 9 minus 8 will give only 1t. Either you can write it t or 1t, both are same. Now minus, both are of minus, so it will become plus, and the answer is 18, but the sign will come of minus. Here it is, downside 12, 2 minus 3t upon 3. Now this question has become the same one which we have done earlier. So in this type of question, when there is single term on both the sides of equal to, we used to do cross multiplication. So this 3 will come upside, and inside there will be t minus 18 is equal to, this 12 will go up there upside, and it is 2 minus 3t. Now if you open up the bracket, it is 3t minus 54 is equal to 12 2s are 24 minus 12 3s are 36t. Now take the like terms on one side. So if I take this term here, it is of minus, it will become plus here. So it is 3t plus 36t, and this 54 will go there and become plus, so it is 24 plus 54. Now if you add them, it will give us 39t is equal to, add them, it will give us 78. Now this is t is equal to 78 upon 39, and if you cancel it out, it will come out to be 2. So the answer is t is equal to 2. So in this way we have to do it. Whenever you have to take LCM, always remember you have to multiply both the terms inside the bracket with the number which is outside. This thing we have learned from this question. They are not the single term, they are two terms on both the sides. So take the LCM. Here if nothing is there, that means we can write 1. So just take the LCM, it will come out to be 2. Now 1 2s are 2, m if you multiply it with 2, it will come out to be 2m. Then minus sign, 2 1s are 2, so this you have to multiply with 1. But when you multiply, you have to change the sign, because it will become minus m and minus will become plus 1. This is the important thing to note here, that whenever we do something with the bracket where the minus sign is there outside, we have to change the signs of all the terms inside the bracket. Now in this one, we will take the LCM as 3. 1 3s are 3, 1 3s are 3, 3 1s are 3, so we have to multiply this numerator with 1. लेकिन फिर वही बात है, बिकॉज यहाँ पे माइनस का साइन बाहर है, आप जब इसको 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इट विल कम आउट टू बी m प्लस 2. क्योंकि ये m प्लस का था, ये माइनस का हो जाएगा, 2 माइनस का था, इसलिए ये प्लस का हो जाएगा. नाउ देयर इज नथिंग लेफ्ट इन दिस क्वेश्चन. 2m minus m is m plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 3 plus 2, 5 minus m upon 3. Now single term on both the sides, so cross multiplication. So it is 3m plus 1 is equal to 2, 5 minus m. Open up the bracket, 3 से इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो, 3m प्लस 3 से 1 को मल्टीप्लाई करो, 3, 2 5s are 10 minus 2m. Now just take this 2m on this side and 3 will go there. So it is 3m. क्योंकि यहाँ माइनस का था, it will become plus here, plus 2m is equal to 3 will go there, 10 minus 3. 3m plus 2m will be given 5m. 10 minus 3 will be 7. So m is equal to 7 upon 5. So in this way we will do this question. So what we have learned in this question, whenever there is minus sign outside and you open up the bracket or you multiply, whatever you do, always remember to change the sign. It is very important thing to learn. It's very simple. You have to just open up the brackets by multiplication. 3 multiply t will be 3t. 3 multiply 3 minus 9, because minus is here. 5 multiply 2 10t. 5 multiply 1 5. take the like terms on one side, just 3t if you take there and 5 you take here, then it will be 10, or you can take it here, 9 minus 5 is equal to 10t minus 3t. Minus 9 and minus 5 will become minus 14 is equal to, and this is 7t. So t is equal to minus 14 upon 7, which is minus 2. So minus 2 will come in this question. Simply you have to open up the brackets, shift the like term on one side of the equal to sign, and just solve it. In this question, we have to open up the brackets only by multiplication. How we will start? 15 से पहले आप y को multiply करेंगे, then minus 4. So it will come 15y, 15 4s are 60, minus 60. Now here you have to multiply with minus 2, both the terms. Minus 2y, minus minus plus 18. Then here 5y plus 30 is equal to 0. Now solve the like terms first. Like terms are 15, 2 and 5. 15 and 5 both are of plus. If we add them, it will come 20. 20 minus 2, minus because it is of different sign, so it will come out to be 18y. Now looking for the other terms. So 18 plus 30 will give you 48, and minus 60 plus 48 will give us minus 12 is equal to 0. Now y is equal to 12 upon 12 will go there, then 18 come downside. If you cut it with 3, it will come this way, then 2 upon 3. So the answer of y is equal to 2 upon 3. Nothing, we have just opened up the brackets and solved the like terms. We got the answer. Ninth question, the same way we have to do, open up the brackets. So it will be 3 multiply, 3 5s are 15, minus 3 7s are 21. Now with minus 2. Minus 2 and 9 minus 18z. Minus 2 and this plus 11 2s are 22 is equal to 4 8s are 32z minus 13 4s are 52 minus 17. Now take all the like terms on one side. So here it is. First you can solve this one. 15z or minus 18z. It will give us 3z. Minus 21 plus 22 plus 1 is equal to, here it is 32z. There is no like term, so we will write it as it is. Then minus, because they both are of minus sign, we will add them and it will come minus 69. Now take the like terms on one side. So if I take it here, it will come minus 35z. क्योंकि 32 यहाँ आएगा, it will become minus plus, okay, minus 35z, and this will go there, it will become also minus, so it will become minus 70. Minus minus cancel हो जाएंगे. Z is equal to 70 upon 35. So answer will be 2. How to do this? First open up the brackets. The difference is there is a decimal sign with the numbers. So 0.25 and 4 if you multiply, 25 4, if you multiply it will come out to be 100. The decimal is before 2 digits, so it will come here 1.00. You can directly write it 1 also, no problem. Then F. Then 20.25 and this if you multiply it will come 0.75 this way. Now here 0.05 से जब आप 10 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये पॉइंट शिफ्ट होके यहाँ आ जाएगा. इट विल बी 0.5f. और जब इससे आप इसे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे इट विल कम आउट टू बी माइनस 0.45 बिकॉज 9 5 जा 45. नाउ टेक द लाइक टर्म्स ऑन वन साइड. ये क्या है 1, ये है 0.5. सो 1f माइनस 0.5f इज इक्वल टू, ये वहां जाएगा, इट विल बिकम प्लस 0.75 -0.45। अब आप 1 में से 0.5 को माइनस करेंगे तो 0.5 ही आंसर आएगा। इज इक्वल टू 0.75 में से अगर आप 0.45 को माइनस करेंगे तो क्या आंसर आएगा? इट विल कम आउट टू बी 0.3। इट विल कम आउट टू बी 0.30. Now f is equal to 0.30 upon 0.5. So just take out this point, 1 0 will come. This point if you take out, 2 zeros will come. So these will cancel out and f will be equal to 3/5. 3/5, or you can write it as 0.6 of mathematics. What we have learned, that is important to notice. We have learned that whenever there is a minus sign outside the brackets, always remember to change the sign. First thing. Second thing, we have learned that whenever there are single terms on both the sides of the equal to, we have to do the cross multiplication. Then the third thing that we have learned, whenever you open up the brackets while having a one term outside, just multiply the number with both the terms. Then only you can able to open it up. This is all for today's class. Thank you.